I think goose eggs are geese. Geese. I think geese eggs are bigger than this. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. Today's video is sponsored by OGX. I am an OGX ambassador for the entire year of 2019, and they're literally amazing. Honestly, they're amazing. I love their products. I've been using them for absolutely forever. So they're sponsoring this video right here, and we did this gorgeous hair. And trust me, it's gorgeous with or without the feathers. Totally up to you. But this video that I have for you guys today is this, and you're probably wondering, what the hell? Well, I've got my little goose egg. But this video is part of my little series within my 31 days of Halloween, and this is my Willy Wonka, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory series. I'm gonna be doing a bunch of looks inspired by all of the kids and inspired by Willy Wonka and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So today's look, if you haven't already guessed, is inspired by VERUCA.
These are the geese that lay the golden eggs. As you can see, they're larger than ordinary geese. As a matter of fact, they're quadruple-sized geese which produce octuple-sized eggs.
Hey, Daddy, I want a golden goose.
Here we go again.
All right, sweetheart, all right. Daddy will get you a golden goose as soon as we get home.
No, I want one of those.
Wonka, how much do you want for the golden goose?
They're not for sale.
Name your price.
She can't have one.
Who says I can't?
The man with a funny hat.
I want one. I want a golden goose. Don't care how, I want it now. Don't care how, I want it now.
She was a bad egg.
Something happens to her, and this was my interpretation of it. I wanted it to be like this golden goddess goose egg stealer. So this is what we've got here. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you want to see how I got it, and including this gorgeous hair, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're starting off with some wet hair. I'm going to put in some of the Liquid Pearl Serum for shiny voluminous hair, and then add some of the Silk Blowout Thermal Spray to protect our hair and also give us a silky blowout. Once my hair is all blown out, I'm just going to start separating it, and I'm going to brush it out, and then I'm going to spray a little bit of the coconut dry shampoo to give it some volume. I notice when I do this, the curls hold so much better, especially with freshly clean hair. I'm going to take my curling iron, and this is about 1.5 inches, and I'm going to pin all of the curls to my head so that they hold really well. Honestly, I've been doing this for some time now whenever I want my curls to hold, and they hold, especially with the Honey Hold hairspray. We're jumping over to makeup. I'm going to be doing my brows with the ColourPop brow pencil. I'm then going to just shape everything out with some Shape Tape concealer from Tarte, and then for the eyes, I'm focusing on this palette right here from Huda. I'm using the lighter shades in the crease, and then we're going to create a spotlight eye. So if you guys saw my last video, the pumpkin spice look, for those of you that aren't too into Halloween, this is very similar to that. I then jumped into the Persona Cosmetics palette because I wanted these two darker shades to deepen it up a little bit more, and I'm going to do that on the inner and outer corners, and then I'm going to start creating my spotlight eye. So I'm cutting the crease only in the center and then blending it out with my finger, and then I'm going to move on to some pretty gold shades. This is from Koki. There is a cream shadow at the top and then a
loose shadow at the bottom. So I used the cream one first, then the loose one, and then this beautiful pigment from Artist Couture. I added some orange to both sides so it blended nice, and then I'm adding some eyeliners, black to tightline the top, as well as liquid liner from IT Cosmetics, and then a gold liner from Beauty For Real in the waterline to really help the eyes pop. For mascara, I'm using the Superhero Mascara. I also use the Superhero Liquid Liner. I'm popping on some lashes from Huda. Oh yeah, work it. And then I'm using the Lorac Illuminizing Primer and then the Milk Makeup Radiance Blur Stick to fill in any pores. I'm using the Dior Forever Undercover Foundation all over my face, and then I'm just gonna kind of do a basic foundation routine, nothing really special here. I'm adding some Shape Tape concealer, gonna blend out my Shape Tape concealer, and then set everything with the Fenty Beauty translucent powder. Whew, what a mouthful, right? Once I've gotten that powder all over my face, I'm going to take the Bronze Goddess bronzer. I wanted something that was very warm and golden kind of bronzer, and then I'm popping on the No Pores No More blush from IT Cosmetics, and then of course the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I am dousing myself in this highlighter, not kidding. I added some of the gold pigments that we used before in the inner corners and also underneath my eyes, and kind of just dragged them down a little bit, kind of like they were melting down my eyes. I added some glitter from IT Cosmetics and from NYX, and then this little spray right here is from Amika. I tried to spray it on my hair so you could really see it, and it kind of did give a little bit of gold. So you could do that, or you could do glitter. I wanted to keep it kind of simple here. And then we moved on to lip, and I used a Urban Decay lip pencil, one of my faves, and then Persona Cosmetics liquid lipstick, Artist Couture lip gloss, and some gold in the center. And now I'm just taking all of those pins out of my hair now that they've sat for about a good hour or so. And once I've taken all the pins out of my hair, I'm just going to separate the curls a little bit and fix my part, and I'm going to spray it with this texturizing spray from OGX to give it some texture and volume, and then we're gonna go to town with these feathers and gold flakes. I used a little bit of the Honey Hold hairspray to keep the feathers in and also the gold flakes in. Whew, guys, and this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it and the inspiration behind it.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't worry, my little egg is gonna go back in my refrigerator. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out all of my other Halloween videos in my Halloween playlist. Everything, I mean everything that I've ever created that is anywhere near Halloween related, something related to get you inspired for Halloween, like creativity central, stuff that you just would not wear out of your house unless you had a good reason to. It's all right here, or it could be over here. And make sure you're subscribed to me, make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss out on a single video this Halloween, and as always, I will see you tomorrow. Love you guys.